Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the 3 best iPad mini 6 screen protectors you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Installing a screen protector is one of the first things you do after purchasing an iPad mini 6 2021. It will almost certainly protect against scratches and may even prevent the screen from shattering in the event of a fall. Here are some of the best iPad mini 6 screen protectors. After nearly 2 years, Apple has finally updated the iPad mini lineup. The iPad mini 6 is quite impressive. It takes on the form factor of the iPad Air and features a thin bezel design, Touch ID and the sleep-wake button, A15 Bionic, and more. Before you take this beauty for a spin, it requires some TLC. So, here are some of the best iPad mini 6 screen protectors to protect against daily wear and tear. I have prepared this video guide for the 3 best iPad mini 6 screen protectors, so let's get started. 3:am. Film papered. If you like glass but don't like the glare, MFilm has a matte paper-like option. The papered glass gives your iPad mini a paper-like surface, ideal for writing and drawing. You get 2 to a pack. Papered glass screen protector by MFilm 2-pack will debut on the iPad mini 6 2021. Crafted with MFilm's top-of-the-line tempered glass and a new paper finish, this case offers protection from scratches, scrapes, and glare, as well as the ability to increase durability during drops. It is recommended to use with a case for the best drop protection. This paper glass screen protector ups the ante for writing, drawing, sketching, and all other creative aspects of the iPad. It is fully compatible with Face ID and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Easy installation guaranteed with MFilm's handle method. This matte glass screen protector has handles for easy placement and perfect alignment. It includes 2 papered glass screen protectors as well as everything needed to install it on an iPad mini. 2:Mojave paper feel. This matte screen protector is made of plastic rather than glass. It has the paper feel, friction, and touch, and the matte finish reduces glare. The thin, 0.17mm, film guarantees sensitivity. There will be 3 in each package. Writing feels like writing on paper. In terms of writing, touch feeling, and reducing reflection, the paper feel iPad mini 6 2021 outperforms ordinary film, thanks to a special Japanese material. Paper feel screen protector simulates paper touch, friction, and feel, allowing you to truly experience the transformation of your screen into paper. It is primarily used to draw, write, or sketch with the Apple Pencil. Matte texture reduces light reflection, relieves eye strain, and allows you to see your screen clearly, making your iPad a perfect working companion even in direct sunlight. The matte surface aids in the reduction of fingerprints left on the screen. The paper feel screen protector is 0.17mm thick and maintains the iPad's high sensitivity. Because it reduces slips, the paper feel coating allows lines to be drawn. 1:Mojave Diamond. If, like me, you find perfect screen protector installation difficult yet necessary, consider this option, which includes a frame to guide your application. In addition, the tempered glass provides 10 times the military-grade protection, HD clarity, and superior touch response. This is a set of 2. Apple iPad mini 6th generation 8.3-inch 2021, specially designed precision laser-cut tempered glass and perfect fits, compatible with all market cases. The auto alignment kit included makes perfect alignment a breeze. Easy to install in seconds, bubble-free, and will not fall off. A video tutorial for installation is also available online. Made of premium diamond hardness tempered glass for maximum scratch, scrape, and bump resistance. When hit hard, the screen of your iPad is protected from shattering. 100% transparency and visible Ultra HD clear tempered glass restores the true color of the screen, allowing you to enjoy the original iPad mini 6 clarity without any blemishes. So guys, this was the video about the 3 best iPad mini 6 screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.